What if I told you an explosion once shocked the Earth so hard it destroyed 80 million trees, but left no scar behind? In 1908, Siberia, people saw a fireball streak across the sky, followed by a shock wave that flattened the forest. When the smoke cleared, there was no blast site at all. But here's why you'll want to stay till the end. This mystery isn't just about the past. What scientists discovered years later suggests it could happen again, anywhere, without warning. If that pulled you in, hit like and subscribe for more mysteries. The Tunguska event happened on June 30th, 1908, near the Tunguska River in Siberia. At 7:17 a.m., a blue light flashed across the sky, brighter than the morning sun. Seconds later, a massive explosion shook the ground. People hundreds of miles away thought the world was ending. The shockwave shattered windows, flattened forests, and killed reindeer across the region. The blast was as powerful as 1,000 atomic bombs. Yet, when explorers arrived, they found no blast site, only millions of trees lying flat in a strange butterfly pattern. The trees pointed outward from a central spot, where a few still stood upright, burned, but not broken. It looked like something had exploded in the air, not on the ground. Scientists searched for answers. Some said it was a meteor, others believed it was a small asteroid or comet that exploded mid-air before reaching Earth. That could explain the flattened forest and lack of impact remains. But if it was just rock or ice, why did the sky glow for nights afterward, even in Europe and Asia? People said it was bright enough to read at midnight. Scientists later suggested the blast threw tiny particles into the atmosphere, scattering sunlight across the globe. Now, imagine standing there, trees flattened for miles, silence thick in the air, the ground still warm beneath your feet. If you were the first person to walk into that devastation, what would you think happened? Tell me your first theory down below. I want to see how your mind solves this. Years later, expeditions found tiny glass-like beads and grains of metal in the soil, traces of something not from Earth. Nickel, iron, and silicate, the fingerprints of a cosmic visitor. But even with that evidence, one question refused to die: why no solid remains? Some said it was a comet that vaporized instantly, others an asteroid that broke apart mid-air. A few even claimed it was an alien craft that exploded before hitting the ground. Those theories lack proof, but they show how deeply this mystery grips people's imagination. Strangely, trees in the blast zone grew faster afterward, as if the explosion changed the soil itself. No radiation was found, yet something altered the land in an unnatural way. Tunguska isn't just a mystery from the past, it's a warning. Smaller airbursts still happen. One struck Chelyabinsk, Russia, in 2013, injuring over 1,000 people. It proved the sky still hides weapons capable of wiping out cities without ever touching the ground. So what really tore across the Siberian sky that day? A comet, an asteroid, or something we still don't understand. Whatever it was, it left no blast site, no proof, only a reminder that Earth's greatest threats don't always come from below. Sometimes they fall from above. What do you think caused the Tunguska explosion? A comet, an asteroid, or something else entirely? Drop your theory below. I read every comment and want to see how you piece this one together. And if you think this mystery was shocking, wait until you hear what your own government once did. Watch my next video. Government killed thousands in secret alcohol plot. That story will make you question just how safe the truth really is.